Family, let's make this quick Asun recipe using by Ndudu's clay-baked goat meat bites and also the newly improved 3 chili pesto. Yes, okay, so here I've got some coconut oil and I did sweat some red onions, added my clay-baked goat meat bites, some green peppers, and by the way, happy Mother's Day to all incredible moms. Stir-fried it a bit, then added the West African 3 chili pesto to the mix. This is a bish bash bosh dish, you know. To moms in waiting, to moms that have lost their children, sending you love. To those still waiting, those who have given up, and to, adoptive moms, every single mom and every single woman, really. Happy Mother's Day. This is a bish bash bosh done dish. And whatever it is, make sure you chop better food for me. That is it. The good box. There we go. Easy life, soft life in the kitchen.